Yo, what's going on guys? It's jcraft here from Digital Trap, and today I'm going to be showing you a beat that I cooked up using the power loop kit and the different planet drum kit. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to go through a couple of these samples here on the power loop kit. So we've got a variety of different vibes on here. Some more chilled, slower stuff. So some Drake pianos here. Good start for that sort of chilled stuff. Nice. Calm the Storm. Some sort of quite atmospheric sort of whiz vibes. Ends. So yeah, this one's a bit of a darker one, more trappy sort of beat. Escape. Yeah, it's a lot of very vibey, sort of more atmospheric sounds on this one. Yeah, good starts if you're looking for someone to start with a track, get a bit of inspiration. Jeez, this one's called Faded, 110 BPM. Yeah, also there's good variety in BPMs as well. Hope, this one's called. It's 109 BPM. More atmospheric. Icy. It was 140 BPM. It's a bit darker. I'm just going to go through them quickly because I'm not going to show you guys all of them. It'll take a while. In the Trap. Yeah, proper atmospheric vibes. This one's called Mellow. Jeez. They're good starts because when you hear these, you get ideas for a track. You start to get an idea of where you can go with it. Reverso. Yeah, nice. This one's called Roads. Nice. So proper dark sort of. A dark loop to build round. Smooth keys. So this one's more of a R&B sort of feel. 100 BPM. So yeah, check that kit out. There's a lot of good starts there, a lot of different vibes. And also I used the different planet drum kit. So I'll go through the 808s. Variety of different 808s. So you've got some smoother ones that aren't so distorted, like this one, lower, deeper ones, and then you've got distorted, hard ones as well if you want to do more trappy stuff. Got some crashes. Also got some custom loops in this one as well. These ones are more sort of trappy. Very good starters. Some snare rolls here. Suspect. Again, very sort of dark. Jeez. This one's like a final level on a game. Yeah, very different, not the usual sort of loops you're getting. See what I mean with this one? It's like a boss level. It's like Bowser's about to jump out. That's the loops. FX. Lots of different effects. You can use stuff like this melodically. You can put it on the keyboard and use it as a melody. Quite a few stabs, quite a lot of rises, impact sort of sounds. Yeah, so lots of different effects there. Got hats, so more sort of classic as well, and then more trappy. depending on what vibe you're going for. Some open hats as well. And then we've got hits. Use these as melodic sort of things as well. You can pitch them up and down. And kicks. Again, you've got some more sort of classic sounds. And some more trappy stuff. More punchy. And yeah, classic sort of sounding ones as well. Perks. Good to get some variety. Snares. Again, good variety of different vibes. And vocals as well. Some interesting vocals in there. So yeah, there's lots of different sounds there. So yeah, let me show you guys what I cooked up using these two kits. So I used it from, as I said, the Power Loop kit. I used Stardog. This one sort of caught my ear when I heard it. I thought I got ideas for that one. And also what I used is in the Digital Trap mixing presets. There's some source in here. Some really helpful bits and pieces to help with mixing. I've used the Instant Source instrument preset. I dragged that across onto the sample, onto the loop, and I've automated the gross beat, so I've changed it up throughout the track sort of thing.
Digital Trap.
So all of these sounds are all from, all the drums are all from different Planet kit. The only thing that's not in the kits that I've used here is the melody from Omnisphere, which is Spooky Piano. This beat was quite a quick one really, only took about an hour. So yeah, it goes to show, plenty of starts there. You can get a track cooked up pretty quickly with these kits. So yeah, if you're ever struggling to find a starting point for a track, head over to the site and pick up one of these packs. So yeah, I've been jcraft Digital Trap. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.